The GE WD28X26099 is a genuine OEM Lower Dishrack Assembly for dishwashers. This GE Lower Dishrack Assembly holds the dishes in place during the dishwashing cycle. The GE WD28X26099 can be applied to some dishwashers of the following brands: GE. The WD28X26099 replaces the following part numbers: WD28X10346, WD28X10372, WD28X22506, WD28X22659, WD28X22696, WD28X23157, WD28X24396, WD28X24478, WD28X26103, WD28X27744, WD28X27745, WD28X27979. Have confidence when making repairs or servicing your appliances with genuine GE parts. The GE WD28X26099 is a genuine OEM Lower Dishrack Assembly for dishwashers that holds the dishes in place during the dishwashing cycle. The WD28X26099 replaces the following part numbers: WD28X10346, WD28X10372, WD28X22506, WD28X22659, WD28X22696, WD28X23157, WD28X24396, WD28X24478, WD28X26103, WD28X27744, WD28X27745, WD28X27979. It is recommended that either the manufacturer of your appliance or the service manual for your appliance be referenced prior to selecting a part for replacement to ensure that the correct part is purchased. Top reviews from the United States. Like a glove. I can't believe the price GE wants for a rack. Might as well buy a new machine. But this bad boy was half the cost and fits like a glove. Would buy again if I had to. Now looking for the upper rack.